Waste management service in Hewitt, Texas. Looking for a waste management service in Hewitt, Texas that's reliable? Flat Creek Solutions makes cleanup projects easier than ever. We offer roll-off dumpsters to fit your exact needs. Perfect for spring cleaning, renovations, or construction, big or small. Our team provides fast delivery, helpful service, and honest pricing. Serving Hewitt with pride, we value our local customers and their time. You'll get prompt communication and professional care from start to finish. We believe in doing the job right the first time. Our dumpsters are clean, sturdy, and ready to work for you. No matter your project, we have a solution that fits. You can rely on us to deliver on time and pick up promptly. We simplify the entire process, so you don't have to stress. Flat Creek Solutions helps keep your property clean and your job on track. Our experienced team handles disposal the right way, every time. We offer flexible scheduling and personalized support throughout your rental. You'll appreciate our attention to detail and commitment to service. We're here to take the hassle out of waste removal. Let us handle the mess while you focus on what matters. Call Flat Creek Solutions at 254-307-9211 to get started. Flat Creek Solutions, reliable waste solutions you can trust.